नमस्ते। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं पठामि संस्कृतं. Oh my God, what is the shloka? I forgot suddenly. पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं पठामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्. क्षम्यताम्. Next we have to do abhyasam for that. So, yeah.
It happens.
For me it happens a lot. प्रथमं वयं विभक्तिं कुर्मः. So
last week, 1 minute, last week, I didn't do second portion.
It's okay.
I was absent for one class. Already I had some problem with Vibhakti.
Actually, that was not covered in class, so it is okay. We haven't covered it still. Upasarga with dhatu. So if you can attempt it, it's just you have to add the upasarga to the dhatu. If you if you need any,
but I didn't do. I totally omit the portion.
Only a. You omitted only a, not the whole.
Second part totally omitted. Okay. Not able to do because I was absent. I had some problem with Vibhakti last time.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Someone will correct it.
Confusion for me, Vibhakti, always.
Today we are going to do a lot of Vibhakti practice. So why don't you start, Mahoday? Why don't you start with today only Kim Shabda? Easy, little bit easier. Pumlinge. We'll just do Pumlingam, Strilingam, Napumsakalingam. Kim Shabda, and then we'll do some Abhyasa, mixed Abhyasa. You start with Pumlinga. Kim Shabda. I'm not sharing the screen for that today. So you can just tell Kaha Kau.
Kaha Kau Ke Kam Kau Kane Kene Kabhyam Kabhi.
Kena Kabhyam Kaihi for
Pumlinga. Kasmai Kabhyam Kabhi. Kasmat
Kebhyah. Kasmai Chaturthi.
Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhi.
Kebhyah. Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyah.
Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyah. Kasya Kayoho Kebhyam.
Kesham.
Sorry, okay. Kesham.
Kasmin.
Kasmin Kayoho Keshu.
Then Vijay Mahoday, will you do for Strilingam?
Sorry, Kim Shabda, right?
Kim Shabda.
Okay. Ka ke kaha. Correct?
Ka ke kaha.
Ka ke kaha. Then kam ke kaha. Am I audible or should I put?
Yes, very audible.
Then kaya kabhyam. Kaya kabhyam kabhi.
Kabhi.
Then kai
Kai.
Kaihi.
Kasyai.
Sorry, acha, kasyai. Okay, kasyai kabhyam, kasyai kabhyam, kabhyah,
Kabhyah.
kabhyah. Then kasyaha, kasyaha kabhyam, kabhyah. Then again, I think kasyaha, kasyaha, kayoho,
Kayoho.
kayoho, and kasam, is it?
Kasam.
Kasam. Now last is Saptami.
Saptami.
Saptami. Kasyam.
Kasyam.
Kasyam. Kasyoho.
Kayoho.
Sorry.
Same as Shashti and Saptami.
Yeah. Kayo. Sorry. Yeah. Kayoho and Kasu. No.
Kasu.
Kasu. Okay.
रीमा महोदय भवती करोति वा नपुंसकलिङ्गे किं शब्दः नास्ति वा
She has sent a message. I think.
Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry.
BRB. What is BRB?
Be right back.
Oh.
अस्तु अहमेव पठामि किं के कानि केन काभ्यां कैः कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः कस्य कयोः केषां कस्य कयोः केषां नपुंसकलिङ्गं केषां
Yeah, those I think the last 5 are same, right? For Pulinga and okay.
Kasmin kayoho keshu. Same for
keshu,
only
keshu,
the first
no?
3 lines are different.
Keshu, last one
keshu.
is
Keshu.
Kasu and Keshu.
Okay. So now I'll share the screen. So we'll practice some mixed vibhakti today, just like how we were practicing mixed. This one, no, lakaras. We didn't practice mixed lakara. We only practiced one lakara at a time. So today we will practice some mixed lakaras. Let's see who all are there. Prajna Mahoday, Vanamala. So how, in what? So first Vanamala Bhagini, then Vijay Mahodaya, then Prajna, Namaste, then Reema, if she comes back.
Okay.
Okay, that is the order. If someone joins, they can go next. Okay, so the first one. So what is this? It's all mixed vibhakti, like from the vibhakti table. We have taken some words. You have to tell which, like, is it akaranta, akaranta, ikaranta, like that. Then you have to tell the lingam. This is pullinga, pumlingam, napumsakalingam, strilingam. Then vachanam, ekavachanam, divachanam, bahuvachanam, and the vibhakti. Fine. In this order. Here, this is the order. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, first word Vanamala Bhagini will do. You can read it and then.
Agnaye.
Agnaye. So what it? What is the original Pratipadik? Agnaye. So it is not. It's not in Prathama Vibhakti. You have to find out which Vibhakti.
No. Akaranta. Akaranta is okay, correct.
No, it's not akaranta.
Eka.
No, no.
No, it looks like Agni, is it?
Amam, Agnihi.
Oh,
Right? So, Agnihi is which? So, you have to tell correctly. Ikaranta or Ikaranta? Which one is it?
Okay.
So, which one is it? Ikaranta or
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta? Okay. Linga?
Napumsalinga. Agni.
No. Pumlinga.
Pullinga. I had doubt whether it is pullinga.
So,
But
Ikaranta, Pumlinga.
pullinga.
Vachanam? Ekavachanam. Vibhakti?
Vibhakti. Tritiya.
Tritiya. Agnaye namaha. If I say namaha, then no. If I say namaha, then what vibhakti?
Oh, namaha is eka pratama vibhakti.
No, not pratama vibhakti. For if you have the word namaha, then which vibhakti you have to use? Anyone knows?
Yeah, Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Agnaye namaha, I say. So that is.
Oh, Saraswatyai namaha.
Like that.
Like okay.
Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Ikaranta, Pumlinga, Ekavachanam, Chaturthi vibhakti. Okay. Then Vijay Mahodaya. Murtihi.
Okay, this
Murtihi.
So it looks like a Ikaranta Strilinga. Is it?
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Like Nadi.
No.
No? No. But Nadi is also Ikaranta, no?
But Vachanam. Lingam.
So what is the
Ikaranta Strilinga? If it is Ikaranta Strilinga, it's same like Nadi.
But this is not in. Is it which vibhakti is it in?
Then it will be in Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. Okay. So then, what is the original pratipadikam?
No, it will be Murti.
Murti.
Oh.
Ikaranta.
So that is same like Nadi. From what I remember, Nadi is also
Nadi. That is Nadi, right?
Nadi
so
only.
This is like Mati. This one is like Mati Shabdah.
No, okay.
Because it is Murti. This is Murtihi, but the Pratipadikam is Murtihi.
Oh, that is a small Ikaranta or Ikaranta?
Yes. Ikaranta, not Ikaranta. Ikaranta. Then Lingam, you know. What is the Lingam of this?
Lingam is Striling.
Lingam. Vachanam?
Vachana, Bahuvachana.
Vibhakti?
Dvitiya. Correct.
Oh, you can already see.
No, I'm asking, is it correct?
There.
Okay.
Kartruna.
It is Akaranta.
Akarantava?
Akaranta, Napunsaklinga.
Not Akaranta. Can anyone tell this Kartruna is what?
Akaranta.
Is it
Rukaranta Napumsakalingam. Astu. Rukaranta Napumsakalingam. Vachanam?
One question I have, Preeti Mohoday, one question. The previous one, Ikaranta Strilinga and Ikaranta Strilinga, what is the difference? Where does the difference come?
The difference comes in like Nadi, Nadyau, right?
Oh.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. But in Murtihi, it will come Murtihi, Murti, Murtayaha, like that.
Oh.
That is the difference.
That's the only difference, huh?
No. In all the forms, the difference will come.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We'll
I
look
mean, like you have you will have two padam for Haraswa. It will be like Hari Shabdaha and like Nadi Shabdaha, like both. You can use both the forms starting from Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Okay.
You can use both the forms.
Okay.
So difference is there.
Okay.
If you want, we can go through that again next.
No, fine. Clear, understood.
We can do the comparison.
So it is
with
Kru Dhatu.
No, not Dhatu.
Sorry. It is no. It is not Lakar. It is Namapadam. So it is Rukaranta, Napusakalinga, and then further
Vachanam.
it is Vachana will be Vachana.
If you know the Vibhakti, you will know the Vachanam.
Oh.
Kartruna.
Kartruna.
In Napumsakalingam, where it comes like that, Kartruna. You can open your table and check. You have your Pravesha book, no? In that all this is there.
I have the Koshtaka. Varina is Trutiya.
Tritiya. So, Ekavachanam va, Bahuvachanam va?
It is Ekvachan.
Ekavachanam.
Ekvachan, yes. Ekvachan, Trutiya, Kru, Anta, it's and
Kartru.
Napusankalinga. Kartru. So,
Rukaranta.
Rukaranta, Napusaklinga, Ekvachana, and Trutiya Vibhakti.
Then when Rima Bhagini is back, we can ask her. Now Vanamala Bhagini Bhavati Karotu Yushmat. Yushmat will come in which? What is the Pratipadikam for Yushmat?
Yeah. Trilanka. Trilankam. Oh, it is Yushmat, Dakaranta.
Yushmat Shabdaha. Dakaranta Yushmat Shabdaha. In which Vibhakti, which Lingam? Trishu Lingeshu Bhavati.
And Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam
va?
This is
Tvam
Yushmat,
Yuvam
right?
Yuyam.
Yushmat.
Yushmat is Ekavachanam. Mat is Ekavachanam.
Okay.
Yushmat is?
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Vibhakti. Vibhakti.
You know, Vijay Mahada?
Yeah. Chaturthi, Saptami.
Panchami Vibhakti. Panchami.
Yushmat. Yeah, Yushmat.
Dakaranta Trishulingeshu Bhavati. Bahuvachanam Panchami Vibhakti.
Yeah.
We went through, I have only taken from the words which we already revised in the previous classes.
Yeah, it's there. I know the something, but not able to.
We'll keep every day, every week, we'll go through like this. Then eventually you will get familiar with it.
So this Panchami for Pulinga, we have Ramat, right? But that is in Ekavachan. But here now this is in Bahuvachana, Yashmat.
This is in Bahuvachana.
But you Abhyam Yushmat. Yushmat is Bahuvachana.
Mat will be in this one. What to say? In Ekavachanam. Just Mat.
Okay.
It's all in your Pravesha book, no? Everything, all the words are from there only. You want page number, you can.
No.
14.
214. Okay. It's in that. Sorry, I said mat. It's not mat. Twat. For Yushmat Shabdaha, twat. For Asmat Shabdaha, mat. Mat avabhyam asmat. Then twat yuvabhyam yushmat.
Bahuvachanam only, no? This one?
Bahuvachanam only. Okay. So karma karaihi.
Karma karaihi.
Prajna Mahoday. Karma karaihi. Any idea what is it?
Karma karaihi.
Now you asked one, like in
Mahodaya,
the Kim Shabda, you
it is
asked
karma. The root word is karma, no?
No. No.
Karta.
Karma karaihi. Do you know which vibhakti this is? Karma karaihi.
Chaturtiya.
No, not Chaturthi. I'll ask you the question. Kaihi. So that is the hint. Kaihi.
Yeah, so it will be in the Tritiya.
So tell the full thing. Karma karaihi will be, what is the, if it's that is Tritiya, then what is the Pratipadikam? Ramaha, then Ramaihi you're saying, right? So this will be?
Pulingam.
Karmakar.
Karma karaha. So karma kara is the Pratipadikam. Okay, so what is the Antaha? Akaranta.
Pulinga.
Akaranta Pumlinga. Bahuvachanam.
Tritiya vibhakti.
So first we have to find the moolam.
But sometimes you can make out, by looking at this, you can make out which vibhakti, right? Like now if we say Vyaktibhyaha.
Bhyaha, okay. Bhyaha means...
Mahodaya, but the words are totally new, then it is a little bit tough to find out to what must be the ant.
I have taken
very new words, then very new words. Agnaye, you have to think.
I have taken it from the, I have taken from the Pravesha book.
No, these words you have taken are sort of not very tough, but when we hear the word for the first time, it is a little bit tough to find out the ant.
Correct. It's confusing. When you do everything together, it will be confusing. So that's why. So now if you do an exercise like this, you will have a good idea. Oh, okay, we should go through these tables every day. Otherwise, it will be tough, right? Like once in a while, if we do like that, then only we will get that serious.
And practice only, practice only. Correct. Just like that, it's tough.
See, even I made mistake. Yushmat mat, I said. I forgot and said mat. But that is twat. In Ekavachanam, it is twat.
Yeah.
So we have to keep on practicing, you know. Okay, this one, Vyaktibhyaha. Who is going to do?
Vyaktibhya means it will be either Chaturthi or Panchami.
Correct. It will be in both.
Yeah, it will be in both. So Vyakti.
It's like Trayaha va Sabdam. Trayaha.
No. So Vyaktibhyaha. So what can it be?
It can be a Ikaranta Strilinga.
Ikaranta Pullinga Vyakti.
But Vyakti. So yeah, correct. Actually, you are correct. It's just Ikaranta Strilinga only. Vyakti, we always think like in terms of Hindi. But Vyakti, like, and we think of a person more like a man. But that word Vyakti is Strilinga Padam.
Strilinga, it will be Strilinga, Ikaranta.
Ikaranta, Strilinga.
Bahuvachanam. And Vibhakti, okay, no.
Chaturthi.
It can be one of the two Vibhaktis, right?
Correct. You already said that. Correct.
Yeah. So actual, yeah. So the which Vibhakti it is will be on the context. When we see a sentence, we'll know which one it was. Okay.
Correct. Then this Patni Nam.
Vachan.
Ikarantava. Patni.
So which one is it?
Vyakti comes in both apparently, Pullinga and Strilinga.
And Strilinga.
Is it Vyakti is Strilinga Padam?
I think it's there in both. It's let me check one more place.
Okay, Patni Nam.
Patni Nam. So this is Patni Nam is tricky, right? Because in Shashti Vibhakti, you know that everything will be Dirgham. Before the Na, whatever comes will be in Dirgham only. So how do you find out? Patni Nam, whether it's Patni or Patni. You have to guess only over here now. E or E? Which one is it? Patni or Patni?
The word must be.
I think this will be Ikaranta.
First.
Not first, second. So Ikaranta.
Ikaranta, like Nadi.
Ikaranta. So you can tell everything. Lingam.
Linga will be Strilinga.
Strilingam. Vachanam.
Bahuvachana. And Shashti.
Shashti Vibhakti. Samyak.
Yeah, I checked, Bhagini. You know, all the better dictionaries give it as Strilinga.
It is Strilinga only actually.
Spoken Sanskrit is giving it as both. I think they are wrong.
Spoken Sanskrit is not right all the time. So it is Strilinga Padam only. In fact,
right.
Yeah.
Because even
Shashti Bahuvachan.
Amarakosha all is giving it as Strilinga.
Correct. It's Strilinga Padam only.
Yeah, Shamita.
No problem. Okay. Mriduni. Bhavati karoti va Rima Mahode?
Mriduni, is it Napunsakalinga? Mridhu Shabda? And this is Bahuvachan, Ek, sorry, Prathma and Dvitiya.
Dvivachana.
Sorry, Dvivachana and both Prathma and Dvitiya.
Prathama
and Dvitiya.
Sambodhana Prathama and
Sambodhana
Prathama also.
Okay.
Okay. Then Shrotuhu. Who wants to do Shrotuhu? It's not easy.
Shall I try?
Okay.
I think it's Shrotru Shabda Rikaranta And this is ekvachanam, and it's panchami and shashti.
Samyak. Shrotuhu.
Shrotru shabda, right? Yeah,
Saptami vibhakti.
आम् अस्तु वनमाला भगिनी करोतु वार्ता इति
So this is Shashti Vibhakti of Shrotuhu.
आम् षष्ठी and
Shashti
पंचमी
and panchami.
ऋकारान्त पुंलिङ्ग शब्दः एकवचनं पंचमी and षष्ठी अस्तु
Like
वनमाला
pitru-
भगिनी
pitru-
करोतु
Varta.
pitru shabda, like that one.
श्रोतुः is not like pitru shabda, it's like kartru shabda.
Trishabda.
There is a difference.
Oh, I see.
Kartru
Netra,
shabda.
netra kartru. Okay, this will get the akar.
Kartarah, like that.
Vriddhi will come. Okay.
अस्तु वनमाला
वार्ता.
भगिनी करोतु
वार्ता.
वार्ता
Akaranta.
अकारान्त वा
अतः.
आकारान्त वा
Akaranta. Akaranta.
अकारान्त वा
Vartaha.
वार्ता
Strilinga.
आकारान्त
Akaranta.
अस्तु लिङ्ग
Srilingam.
स्त्रीलिङ्गं
Vartaha. Dvivachanam.
द्विवचनं वा
No.
Yeah.
Ekvachan.
किमर्थं द्विवचनं वार्ता
Sita.
Ekvachan.
if
Sita,
it
no?
is द्विवचनं आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गं
No,
द्विवचनं
third.
what will it be?
Third one.
बहुवचनं वा
No, not Vachana, I'm telling. Vibhakti, I'm telling.
ओ विभक्ति वा
Prathama Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti.
प्रथमा
प्रथमा
विभक्ति
वा?
and प्रथमा
Both.
विभक्ति एकवचनं
It's like Sita.
सीता like that वार्ता
Sita shabda.
Ekavachanam.
ओके अस्तु विजय महोदय करोति वा
Yeah.
ध्वन्योः
Dvanyoho. Dvanyoho.
योः अस्ति
Yeah, yoho means it's Shashti and Saptami. Dvivachana. Now, what is the antaha?
Dhvani.
Dvanyoho. Okay, Dvani.
Dhvani.
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta.
Like
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta,
Nadi
right?
shabda, right?
now is it pumlingam or napumsakalingam or is it
No, then it
Strilingam?
could be Strilinga.
Srilingam.
that strilingam nasti pumlingam padam
Pulingam. Dhvani.
How do you identify now from Dvani?
you can't identify, you have to learn it.
That is very
This is,
difficult.
That's why I purposely put because it sounds like strilingam.
Yeah.
Previously I have got confused, so that's why I put that padam so that you all
So
will
it's
learn
not
that new padam.
ikaranta, is it? It's ikaranta.
Ikaranta pumlingam.
Oh,
Dhvani.
acha, so
Because
Dvani
Dhvani
is
in
the,
Hindi
okay,
is,
Dvani is small e, Dvani.
Amam. Dhvanihi.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's like a Hari
Prathama
Shabda?
vibhakti is dhvanihi.
Like a Hari Shabda?
Mati, like Mati. Huh?
Harsha Mahoday bhavati agatavati va? Namaste.
Namaste.
So like Hari Shabda.
Like
Dhvani.
Hari.
Dhvani.
Which is Shabdam?
What?
Which Shabdam? It's like Dhani.
Hari Shabda.
Hari.
Prajna Mahoday bhavati asmakam karoti va?
Asmakam. Asmakam is
Asmakam.
I can try.
is Shashti. Shashti and
Shashti.
The prathama is aham.
Aham va? Prathama. Astu. Prathama aham.
The prathama is aham. Then
Asmat Shabda.
asmakam is bahuvachana shashti. And it is sarvanam. So no linga.
Not no linga, trishalingeshu ekameva. I mean, samanam.
Samanam, yes, samanam for all.
Dakaranta trishalingeshu samanam bahuvachanam shashti
bahuvachana shashti.
And do we say the anta is asmat?
Anta is dakaranta.
Dakar, okay.
Asmat Shabda.
Dakaranta asmat shabda.
Asmat shabda.
Rima Mahoday karoti va patyuhu.
Okay, that is pati, right?
Pati.
Shabda. Ikaranta strilinga. Patyuhu is, I think, shashti. And is it Panchami
Pati
too?
shabda has strilinga va?
No. Sorry, Pullinga. Pati Shabda Pullinga. I was thinking husband of a Strilinga. So I know it's Shashti, but is it also Panchami? Panchami. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Astu. Harsha Mahoday karoti va tithe.
Oh, is it Panchami too? Okay.
Panchami and Shashti
Panchami
both.
and Shashti. Okay.
But this is similar to Pita Shabda, no?
No. So this is Ikaranta, Pati. Pati Shabda, but it is not like Hari. Okay. Pati Shabda is on page, I'll tell you in your Pravesha book. No, it's not even same like Muni or anything. It has its own Pati, no.
Exception.
Its own thing, exceptional.
Exception to all rules, okay.
You know, it's there the relationship
exception.
words.
Because patyu we have not. We have read patyoho, munyoho.
No. Munehe you would have read. But Pati is, see on page 196 in your Pravesha book. I am telling all the words I have taken from Pravesha book only. Okay.
You know, it's there in the relationships. That's how I knew it. When they say, you know, Mata Mahi, Pita Mahi, Pityuhu, like that, Patyuhu is there in those are all Shashti words, right? In the relationship words, it comes there.
Okay.
That's how I knew it, that it's Shashti.
So
that's why
this one actually it is given like separate in page 196. Hari Shabda is there. Then Pati Shabda is also there separately. See, there's no other word like Pati Shabda. Okay, like Hari Shabda, you have Ravihi, Kavihi, Munihi, Yatihi, Panihi, Agnihi. But Pati Shabda kinchit bhinnam asti.
Which page is this on?
196.
196.
But Preeti Mahoday, the Pita also, like it has Pituhu.
Pituhu is there. That is Rukaranta Shabda. Hello.
No, I thought, is that any, whenever it's a relationship, the Panchami and Shashti will be in.
No. Even Hare, that is also, there's no relationship there, no? Hare, Guru.
Panchami and Saptami take the Visarga mostly. When you see a Visarga in Ekvachanam, it's usually Panchami and Shashti. Not always, but.
Okay.
Visarga can be in Ekavachanam Prathama also.
These two, it comes in. Many Shabdas have this. Even the Takar, you know, the Halantas also are like that. I've noticed these two will always have Visarga and Ekvachanam. Not always.
Who is going to do Tithe? I think Harsha Mahoday.
What is the meaning, Tithe?
Tithe, I'll tell you after you do that. If I tell you the Shabda now, then you can. So who Harsha Mahoday karotu bhavati.
Okay. So I think Tithi Shabda is Strilinga. Ekvachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Sambodhana.
Samyak.
Oh, it's
Samyak.
not Chaturthi is
No,
it can't be.
No, that's why I put that. See, it's confusing,
okay.
no?
But can it not be Dvitiya? Sorry, Dvivachana, not Dvitiya. Dvivachana.
Why it's not Dvivachana? Because if it's Tithi, right, is Ikaranta Strilingam. So in Dvitiya, what will it be?
Okay, yeah.
Tithi.
Tityo.
No.
Tithi.
In
It is
Dvivachanam,
Dirgha.
it will be Dirgam, right?
Dirgham.
Tithi, Titihi, Tithi, Titayaha.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
So this is Sambodhana Prathama.
And the Chaturthi.
Trilingama.
Oh, Chaturthi will be Tithye. Okay. I got confused with that.
Tithaye, not Tithye, Tithaye. Tithaye, and then the other one will be Titya. Tithaye and Titya, right?
The other two kinds that are correct for Tithi Shabda. Chaturthi onwards, yeah. Okay.
Not Titya. What am I saying? I'm saying something. Okay. Tityai. Tityai. Tityai and Tithaye. Tityai and Tithaye.
Tithaye.
Okay. Next. Now who is going to do this one? Atithi. Vanamala Bhagini karoti va?
I will do.
Okay. Pragnya karoti.
Atithi will be Ikaranta Napusaklingam Prathama and Ekvachan.
Only Prathama Ekavachanam. Only Prathama Ekavachanam?
Or Sambodhan also.
Sambodhanam. Only Sambodhanam?
Dvivachanam?
Ekavachanam va? Dvivachanam va? Bahuvachanam va?
Mahodaya, Atithi. It has to be Visarga if it is Bahuvachan.
If it is Bahuvachanam Visarga in Napumsakalingam, okay, I'm going to close this again.
No, not Napumsakalingam. No, there is no.
Okay, wait. Atithi is that Napumsakalingam, okay. Did you say Ikaranta? Did you say something like which Anta it is?
It is like Vari.
It is like Vari. Okay.
Vari,
Atithi is like Vari. Fine. Then how will it come?
But Vari, but Vari
first
he.
Ekanimsham. Pragnya Mahoday Bhavati Vadatu. So, okay, if it's like Vari, then how it will be
in Dvivachanam.
Prathama. How will it be Prathama?
Prathama.
Or Ekavachanam. You said Ekavachanam, right? How can it be Ekavachanam? So tell me again. Ikaranta.
It is
Napumsakalinga.
Ikaranta Napusaklingam.
Not Napumsakalinga.
Prathama
Ikaranta Pumlinga.
Correct.
Pumlinga.
In Dvitiya Vibhakti also it has come in Varisha Shabda.
Pullinga.
It is not Vari Shabdaha, it is Pumlinga. Like it is like Hari Shabdaha.
Oh, Pullinga ma, Napumsaka.
Atithi, guest, that word.
Guest, yes.
See, Tithi.
So the
before this you saw Tithihi, right?
Tithi, yes.
Tithihi is Strilingam. Atithihi is Pumlingam.
Pullinga.
Pullinga, okay. So it is Ikaranta, Pullinga, then Ekavachana.
Ekavachanam how? Atitihi is the ekavachanam, right?
Dvivachanam.
In which vibhakti? Yeah, dvivachanam.
Prathama vibhakti.
Prathama vibhakti.
Prathama,
Ditya,
Sambodhanam,
Ditya
And
also.
Sambodhan. Sambodhan
Dvitiya.
also.
Dvitiya.
Correct.
Dvitiya, Prathama and Sambodhan.
Prathama,
So
Dvitiya
that
and Sambodhan.
the dvivachanam always in the three, in the three columns it will be same, right?
Yes.
Prathama,
Dvitiya
Dvitiya and Sambodhana
and
Prathama.
Sambodhan, yes. Dhanyavad Moday.
So these I have selected all the confusing words, so don't get scared.
Yeah, looks like
It is like on with the design only. In fact, I'm only getting confused.
No, but the thing is, even after doing this, we might still remain confused.
Yeah. So what
maybe
you do
less
is,
confused though.
try it out. Every 2 days you go try it out,
Yeah.
so that you
So it comes with
words will be in
practice
your head
because
nice.
all these ikaranta can be in all three. Ikaranta can be in all.
It's confusing only.
Yeah.
Okay. Patau.
Mahodaya, for words like Patyu, how to remember if it is asked in exam, because it is so different. Patyu is not there anywhere. So you have to by heart it only.
It's their relationship.
So use
words,
it.
but
You have you use it. So how I remember this Patyuhu really well is, my friend used to always say, Mama Patyuhu, Mama Patyuhu. So then I remembered, oh, this Patyuhu. Like she always used to tell my husband's something, husband's this thing. So you use it in the sentences. Then you will remember.
Sentences, talking. Okay.
So use it in, just keep one sentence of the words you don't remember, then you will. That's how I remember very well. One Bhagini used to always say about her husband all the time.
Pati. Patyuhu.
Patyuhu.
At least ladies won't forget it.
Yeah. I hope you won't forget after this.
No, after listening, I won't forget. Oh, I am.
Now we can remember Patyuhu.
Patyuhu, you will remember at least that one in all that in that full table. At least Patyuhu you will remember.
Patyuhu, yes, sure.
Panchami
Sure.
also. Panchami also.
For Panchami and Shashti, okay. Astu. Patau.
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 Now it's looking easy, but I'm not. I think I'm wrong.
Okay, Rima Mahode Bhavati eva karatu.
Okay. It looks Akaranta. Patashabda.
Akarantava.
But I don't know. You said you pick confusing ones.
Patau. So au will come in.
Oh, Dvivachanam. Prathama Dvitiya. Akaranta Shabda.
Okay, now
Pullinga,
we are going in the wrong. We are going in the wrong direction.
Oh,
now you have
gosh,
to change
I knew it.
direction.
No,
So it's not
it could be ukaranta shabda.
Ma'am. Samyak. Ukaranta shabda. Idanim vadatu.
So ukaranta shabda, then it will be
Patu.
saptami ekavachan.
Saptami.
Patu, I think
Saptami,
Patu is the
Samyak.
okay.
Ukaranta Pumlinga.
Ukaranta Pullinga. Saptami ekavachan.
Saptami ekavachan. Astu. Netra. Harsha Mahode Bhavati karotu. Oh, someone else has also come. Who's come?
It's Netram.
Netramma.
Napumsakalingam.
Napumsakalingam. Now again we are going in the wrong direction.
Oh.
The trick.
Netru Shabda, right?
Netru. Rukaranta.
Tritiya.
Let her do.
Oh, sorry.
When your turn comes, you can do. Let her try.
Or when she asks for
already you told the answer, I think.
Right. Netru Shabda.
Okay, be careful.
Rukaranta. Pullinga. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Ekvachanam.
Ekavachanam. Then you try the next one.
Napumsaka.
Vadhuvaha. Bhavati eva karotu, Harsha Mahode.
Okay, it's a Vadhu Shabdaha. It's a
Ukaran.
Let her do,
Ukar,
okay?
yeah, Ukaranta Strilinga. Vadhu, 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 Vadvaha.
Vadvaha.
So it's Prathama and Sambodhana.
Samyak.
And
अस्तु सुन्दरी महोदय नमस्ते भवती करोति वा गौर्योः योः अस्ति खलु, so what is that is the hint. गौर्योः
In Saptami.
That I understood. It not Gauri. Vikaranda. Pullinga.
Gauri. Gauri. Pumlingam va.
Sorry. Gauri here.
Gauri.
Gauri. Sorry, Srilinga. I wanted to say Srilinga. Nadi Shabdam, but I think I said wrongly. Gauri, correct. Nadi Shabdam. And I'm still thinking this right only. No, I'm only told feminine.
I did the same thing.
Yeah.
But
Gauri.
I noticed one thing after studying all Rikaranta, Ukaranta, Dakaranta, finally the Akaranta Shabda we are forgetting.
Yeah. No.
Even I forget.
It is Ikaranda, Strilinga.
Which Vachanam? Vachanam. Ekavachanam va, Dvivachanam va, Bahuvachanam va, Dvivachanam. And then you already told Shashti Saptami.
Shashti or Saptami.
Samyak.
Sashti.
Who has
Shashti.
come? Anyone new has come? Who needs a turn? Let us see. Vijay Mahoday karoti va? Swasre. Iti.
Sashtu Ukaranta va.
Ukaranta va? Vijay Mahoday Bhavan vadatu.
One minute, let me think. Swasre, huh? Swasre.
Anta Swasre.
Swasre. Which anta is that?
Swaha.
No.
Rikaranta. Okay, Rikaranta.
Okay.
Karanta.
That is your big hint. Now look in the Rikaranta table and you can see. Swasre.
Mohoday, one more hint, one more sentence. Swasre. It is meaning.
I'll tell you the Prathama if you want. Swasa.
Okay.
Swasa. Okay, so looks like
Okay, I already
it's a
told you,
difficult word.
Rikaranta means you will know, like you can open your Matri Shabda and see. It is not like Matri Shabda, but you can get a hint.
Swasru, is it father-in-law?
No.
Sister.
Swasa is sister. So
Okay.
Chaturthi Vibhakti, yeah. Chaturthi.
Chaturthi Vibhakti, Samyak.
Chaturthi.
Is it Ekavachanam?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Rikaranta, sister, right? It's because it's
Srilinga.
sister, Srilinga Pada. So, Samyak, I thought you know what I thought? I thought I had prepared very less for today. And we are going to go tuck like that fast. Astu.
You have to mug up all the shabdas.
Very
Otherwise,
useful though. Random is useful, you know.
You can practice. So I always send the slides after the class. You can practice them. Now you know it, but after 2 days again you might forget.
Perfectly,
can
yes.
just again, if you go through that, there will be one slide won't have the answers and one slide will have the answers. So you can cross check. Okay. So now like that, we will do, we actually have to do even Ritlakara today. So shall we do this Vibhakti? There's one more Vibhakti Abhyasaha. Do you want to do this today or?
Yeah, you can do it.
Want to do it? Okay.
Mm.
This is
I will do the
little
first one.
easier, I feel. So let us see.
I will
Okay,
do the first.
let us go in one order. Okay.
Okay.
Sundari, I'll tell you the
Yeah,
order.
that's
So
better.
Sundari Mahoday, then Harsha, Pragnya, Vijay Mahodaya, and Vanamala Bhagini. Anyone I missed?
No.
Me.
Reema. Okay. Okay. First one.
उत्पीठिकाम् उभयतः आसन्दाः सन्ति. Abhitah, Ubayatah and all will come Dvitiya order.
Okay. Second one.
Gopalaha Sakhibhihi Samam Nagaram Gacchati. It's a Tritiya Vibhakti Samam.
So with Samam, you have to use Tritiya Vibhakti, and Sakhyaha is in
Sakhi.
it is
Bahuvachanam.
in Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
So you have to say Sakhi.
Sakhibhihi.
Samyak. Next.
Third one is Rukmini Radha Asuyati. Now here it is Bhav. Bhav is Sashti. So it will be
Bhav means
Bhavavachak Padana.
No, it won't be in Shashti. So Asuyati, that Kriya Padam Asuyati is like jealousy, no?
Chaturthi Vibhakti.
So to come in Chaturthi. Okay, now you do the Chaturthi Vibhakti for Radha.
Chaturthi will be Radha. Rukmini Radhaya Asuyati.
Radhaya.
So do the Chaturthi Vibhakti of Radha. I'll give you the question word. Kasyai. So what is the Chaturthi of Radha? Kasyai is the question.
Radha.
Radhayai.
Radhayai. Okay.
Like Lataa. Radha, Radhe, Radhaha, Radham, Radhe, Radhaha, Radhaya, Radhabhyam, Radhabhihi, Radhayai, Radhabhyam, Radhabhyoh, Radhayaha, Radhabhyam, Radhabhyoh, Radhayaha, Radhayo, Radhanam, Radhayam, Radhayoho, Radhasu, Radhe, Radhe, Radhaha.
So Radhayai.
Radhayai.
Okay.
Yes.
Next one.
Okay, that's mine, no? Janaha Lokayane Sancharam Kurvanti.
Lokayane. So the how Sancharam Kurvanti means they travel. So how do they travel? Kena Sancharam Kurvanti.
Okay, not in not the Saptam.
So we say by, right?
Kena.
Like it is an instrument. Lokayanam is the instrument here.
Correct. So Lokayanena Sancharam. Okay, I thought Saptami.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tritiya. But okay, thinking Saptami was wrong. In the train, I was thinking.
That not be okay too. In the bus, they travel.
So Lokayanam is bus. I guess it can be in the bus also. Should be okay.
But in the bus, maybe inside the bus, they're not
traveling. But
bus,
you can't be traveling inside the bus, no? Like
true.
By the bus. So in the bus is wrong.
Usually it is instrument only.
Okay.
It can't be
Okay, next,
adhikaran.
Vanamala
Yeah,
bhagini
right,
karotu.
right. Adhikaran
Mata
will be the
ekam
road.
katham katayatu tavat.
This is what, if this exclamation is there, what is this? What will come here?
Yeah, Sambodhana.
Sambodhana Rupa. So
Oh,
what is
he
it?
mat,
The mat.
he mate ekam katham katayatu.
Mateva, is it like Sita? Is
No,
Mata
Mata.
like Sita? Matri Shabdaha, kalu?
Yeah.
Matri. So,
Mate.
Matri is what?
He
Rikarant.
he matru.
No.
He mata.
He Mataha.
He mata.
He Mataha.
He
Mataha is the
mataha.
Sambodhana Rupa.
He mataha ekam katham katayatu tavat.
Hmm.
So that explanation not able to see.
So, but you guessed it correct, no? That's Sambodhana Rupam. So
Yeah.
Sambodhana Rupam for Rikaranta is Mataha.
Mata.
Okay. Bhimaha. Next one, Rima Mahodaya.
Maha Bakasuram Udaram
Daram
Praharan.
Let her do. Let
Haratavan.
Rima.
So when it's harming a body part, you get Saptami, right?
Correct.
The Re.
Bhimaha Bakasuram Udare
Udare
Prahritavan.
Prahritavan.
Next. Back to Harsha Mahodaya. Oh, who is it? Sundari Mahodaya.
Yeah.
Astu.
कार्यक्रमस्य समाप्ते अनन्तरं अहम् आगतः.
Samyak.
अनन्तरं generally सप्तमी विभक्ति.
Correct. So Anantaram is there. So you have to use Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami va Shashti.
Shashti. Sorry.
कार्यक्रमस्य समाप्ते.
Sorry.
Next
Shashti.
one. Samyak. Harsha Mahodaya. Karo.
शम्भोः ऋते अन्यं कहं शरणं गच्छामि. It's a ऋते comes, so it's a panchami. शम्भोः.
Samyak. Shambhoho Rute Anyam Kam
शरणं गच्छामि.
Next.
How do you find
Dineshah.
this one?
Kim, someone asked something?
Yeah. How do you find that? This is Panchami.
Because of this word Rite, no? This word Rite, it is a Upapada Vibhakti. Okay. So if this word is there, Rite, then you have to say it in, then this word will be in Panchami.
Dineshah Bhaginyah Krudhyati. Krudhyati is Chaturthi. So Chaturthi Bhaginyah will be the Vibhakti Bhaginyah. This is Prathama and Bahuvachan. So
Prathama na.
No.
Chaturthi you said, no?
No, but Dine
Ekavachana, you mean ek?
So Dineshah
Bhaginyah ekavachanama.
No.
So what will it be?
Chaturthi, it has to be Bhaginyaya.
No. Chaturthi. So?
Bhaginyat.
Bhaginebhyah.
Bhaginebhyah. What is the Pratipadikam?
Bhagini.
Bhagini.
So
Nadi.
Chaturthi, what will come?
Nadi, Ikarant.
Okay. For Bhaginyah? Bhaginibhyah. Bhaginibhyah. So for like that, just like Nadi Shabda, na? Nadibhyah you say, right? So Bhaginibhyah.
Bhaginibhyah krudhyati.
Then last one.
Pratah.
Vijay Mahoday already started thinking. Oh, no.
It started. Pratah utthaya aham devam namami.
Devam Namami. That was a simple
Yeah,
one.
if
No?
it is Namaha, then Devaya Namaha.
Ah, correct. So that's why I gave that. So
What?
I just put some trick, not too much trick. No, this was much easier, right? Astu. So we'll do. Do you want to finish here? Or you want to do Lit Lakaraha? Bhavishyat Kalam. We have to do, right? We haven't done it. Bhavishyat Kalam is little bit easier. Because
The endings are easy, but the actual making the first part is quite.
there only the trick is so the it
Yeah.
looks the ending is easy for Bhavishyat
Easy,
Kalam, but the
'cause we
beginning
know
is
lot.
not easy.
Yeah.
Astu. So okay, let us do it quickly then. So someone
Mahodaya,
read,
one query.
Mahodaya,
one query asti. Now
vadatu.
the gruha karyam, at times we don't fill the blanks if we are unsure of the answer.
Correct.
So can it happen that just one of you, Mahodaya, on any day or 10 minutes if you spare and read out the answers of those gruha karyam, so we will know correction.
Yeah, we can do that. So some
Because
like
if we leave blank, the graders don't correct. They leave it blank
no,
only.
they actually put the answer. So if suppose your grader didn't put the answer, you can type a message and ask, can you please put the answer? Okay. So they always put the answer. Actually, many of the graders put the answer. Which paper are you talking about? Let me check that.
My Gruha Karyam 2, I have made many mistakes. So my answers are not there.
I have a suggestion. Actually, the organizers, they send the answer key.
Yes, we are sending the answer key for each.
What I do is I keep the answer key and then correct.
Where do you send? Where is the answer key sent? In which link?
No, you will get it in the
It will
mail.
come, it will
they
come.
automatically send it. First one only has come. Second one has not come yet.
Okay.
The
Where?
second one will come
comes,
tomorrow. I think by tomorrow
so the
it will
moment
come.
second one comes, what you do is you just take that and then start correcting your.
Then it is
where
easy.
it has come? Where it has come?
It will
in the
come
mail.
to your mail.
Mail, okay.
Email.
Okay.
Already the first homework one has come, and I have done a few one or two corrections.
Okay.
So that's a best
because
way.
the second I have done lots of wrong, so I want to get it corrected.
You will get the answer key, so you can just check it with your paper.
Sure. Yeah, dhanyavad.
So it is 6:40. If you have time, we can do this lit lakaraha. This I have only put in Parasmaipadi, so more simple. So you can only read this Parasmaipadi words and we can start the abhyasa.
Okay.
Vijay Mahodaya karoti va?
Yeah.
Is it small?
No, it's okay. Patishyati, patishyataha, patishyanti, madhyama purusha, patishyasi, patishyava,
Patishyathaha,
patishyataha, patishyatha, patishyami, patishyavaha, patishyamaha.
So we won't do this last few that I have put in Atmanepadi, but most of them I have put in Parasmaipadi because that itself is confusing enough.
Okay, we'll do.
Thank you.
Okay, so then we'll just do this. Okay. We'll go in that same order. Vanamala Bhagini Bhavati Karoti va? Can you see that? Namsyavaha.
Namsyava.
Namsyavaha. What is the dhatu?
Namahava.
Namaha is not the dhatu. Nam is the dhatu.
Nam. Yes, nam.
Nam dhatu. And I already told this Parasmaipadi.
Parasmaipadi.
I've only put Parasmaipadi, so don't need to worry about that. Just tell the Purushaha and Vachanam.
Purusha.
Nam syavaha. Nam syavaha. So, in which is it?
Pullingama.
This is Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam, no Pumlingam. Everything
Oh, you
for everyone
told.
it is same. So this is now Kriyapadam. So you have to tell Purushaha means I'll tell you. So Prathama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha. Okay.
Oh, I thought.
See, Prathama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purusha. In Prathama Purusha you have Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti. In Madhyama Purusha, Patishyasi, Patishyataha, Patishyatha. Uttama Purushaha, Patishyami, Patishyavaha, Patishyamaha. So, Namsyavaha.
Namsyavaha, Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha, Uttamam. Vachanam?
Padishya, Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. Astu. Sundari Mahoday, Bhavati Vadatu.
Kujishyataha. It is Madhyama Purusha, Dvivachana.
Madhyama Purusha, Dvivachana. So, what is the dhatu?
Kujishyati.
Dhatu. Just kuj. Kuj is the dhatu.
Okay.
Vekshamaha is Uttam Purush, Bahuvachan, and Dhatu.
Uttama Purusha,
Uttam Purush, Bahuvachan.
Astu.
Dhatu, I don't know.
Vekshamaha. Vekshamaha.
Veksha.
Okay. It is wish. Wish dhatu. Oops.
Wish. Okay.
Wish.
Very
Okay. Upa vishati. We usually use it with like upa. That upasarga upa is there, right? Upa vishati.
Upasarga.
Like so upa vekshyati.
Yes.
Sorry. Next.
Yeah. Yakshanti. Yakshanti. Okay. Bahuvachana. Prathama Purusha. And dhatu is Yakshanti. Tyaj, is it?
Tyaj, correct. Next. Who is the next person? Vanamala Bhagini, va?
Apsyami.
Dhatu is Ap. Then this is Apsyami. So what is the Purusha?
Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam. So this is easy, you know. I think identifying this part is easy for the Lakara. Only you need to know what is the dhatu. That part is more difficult.
Dhatu is you have to.
Yeah. That is difficult.
So if we give the dhatu, it will be more difficult to get this word, right? Because you have to know where it comes like this. Vekshyamaha, Tyakshanti, like that. Okay. Srakshyatha.
Sakshyata.
Harsha Mahadeva, Sundari Mahadeva.
I will do. Srakshyatha. That is Srud dhatu.
Srij dhatu.
Dhatu. Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Samyak.
Drakshati is
Switch.
Drakshati Prathama Purusha Ekvachan.
Prathama Purusha Ekvachanam. Astu.
Pathati Drakshati.
Okay, what is the dhatu?
Dhatu Dru Dra
Drish. Drish.
Drish.
See, I think Harsha Mahoday didn't get a turn, and Reema, and so let Harsha Mahoday Bhavati Karotu, Anantaram Reema Mahodaya Bhavati Karotu.
Pasyanti Padhatu.
Padhatu.
Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana.
Prathama Purusha Bahu. Okay. Reema Mahoday Bhavati Karotu.
Artishyamaha. So,
Bahuvachanam.
Eka nimisham, let her do.
Nrit dhatu. Maha. So, Uttam Purush Bahuvachan.
Uttama Purusha Bahuvachan. Astu. Kopishyathaha. Sundari Mahoday Bhavati Karoti va?
Kopishyathaha. It is Kop Kru.
Kup dhatu.
Okay. It is Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam.
Samyak. Astu.
Krotsyami.
Krotsyami.
It's again Uttama Purusha. Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
And
dhatu? Kru nasti. Kru is what?
Karoti is not, yeah. Kru nasti.
Krudha. Krudha dhatu.
That the dhatu is very difficult to find out.
That's why I have put that as the.
Agini, what will it be for Krit dhatu? The
Krit?
future? Krit will be.
You mean for
this...
Kru?
No, Krit, to cut.
Oh, like kart. Like that karta.
Oh, there's an O over here.
How to?
Some.
You mean like kartayati? That for that.
Like kartayati, right? That is krit, right? Kritishyati.
I need to check that.
Yeah.
Okay, how to find dhatu? How to find
dhatu is next week Bhanu Mahodaya will come and do one tutorial for that. He had told he will do. So you can go to some websites and check. Ashtadhyayi is one. Then Bhanu Mahodaya.
Dhatu, yeah, in Play Store dhatu. One
app is there.
App is
there. App is there. Dhatu app is there.
All the apps are not correct. That's the problem. So you have to see the correct app and like some reliable app it should be.
Okay.
Mahodaya, we have to have a background for Ashtadhyayi. I tried a lot. You have to know in depth the meanings of all the words to read how to find in Ashtadhyayi.
For Ashtadhyayi, you mean ashtadhyayi.com?
There are so many words. There are so many words we can't understand the meaning. So you have to know the meaning only, then you can use the dictionary.
It's little. Once you get a hang of it, you will know. But for like if you're in beginner level, Bhanu Mahodaya has a good app. I mean, not app. You can say, he will do the tutorial. Next time I will ask him. Next time when let him come to the tutorial and teach us how to do.
I have found Ashtadhyayi quite useful. Very means even if you are very close, you can go and figure out.
Once you get to know, right? It's just little bit practice. So first you learn the dhatus like this. by, now I have given you some words, right? Learn the dhatus, then you will only get familiar with them.
Yeah.
No, still I have not become very familiar with Ashtadhyayi Mahoday.
Okay.
Somehow I'm finding it difficult. Maybe I am missing out something.
Anyway, we'll
Actually, if you put this padam, right? If you put this, why don't you try it? If you put this, the dhatu, everything you will get. What in which lakara is it? Everything you will get.
And if you go to all the different tabs and all, lot of information is there.
Lot of info. That's why lot of information is there. But if you don't know what to do with the information, you will get confused, right? That's
how to
problem.
use it. Whether you want lakara, whether you want vibhakti, how to go ahead, that is a little bit tough in Ashtadhyayi.
Yeah, once you get used to that, you will.
We'll see what Banu Mahodaya is doing. If not, we'll do a short session on Ashtadhyayi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Okay. Well, let us finish this last, I think, 4 words which are not in Atmanepadi, and then we will stop.
Okay. Gasyatha. My turn, no? Gasyatha. Okay. Tha means it will be in Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana. Gasyati. So is it to do with
Madhyama Purusha? What did you say?
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. Correct.
Yeah, and Gaya,
I have given this dhatu before, so you should check the slides after the tutorial. I maybe not immediately, but in 1 or 2 days I post the slides. So make sure you look at that. So all the dhatus will be there. No. Anyone knows the dhatu for
Gai?
Gai,
right? To sing.
Yes.
Also thinking, but I didn't know whether it's guy or guy.
Next, Harsha Mahoday karati va? Jeshyanti.
Jeshyanti. It's Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana. I think. And Jesh. Dhatu. Jesh.
G dhatu.
G dhatu.
Rima Mahoday karoti va?
Which one?
Eshishyasi.
Okay, that's a hard one. Okay, is it as simple as Esh dhatu?
No. Esh nasti.
Ing dhatu.
Sandhi asti.
Oh, Sandhi asti. Okay. So A.
Ish dhatu.
Ish dhatu. Okay.
Ichhati khalo. That one.
Okay.
Ish
and
dhatu.
What's the upasarga? What is the upasarga?
No, not like that. Because of A
plus E
will
plus
join,
A,
right?
no?
Like in
plus E.
So Eshishyasi.
Nice.
So what is the Purusha and Vachana?
Madhyama Purusha.
C. So Madhyam Purush Ekvachan.
Ekvachan. Okay, last one. Who will do? Sundari Mahoday Bhavati Karoti va? Prakshyavaha.
Is Uttama Purusha Vivachanam. Prish dhatu. Prich.
To ask, right?
Astu. Samapayamah.
Mahoday, what he just when time permits, like the second homework, when there is a upasarga and lang lakara, you will be taking it.
Actually, that one is Sandhi. So we will be covering it once we start doing Sandhi.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
okay.
in the class itself, they'll cover. Actually, that part was not supposed to be like, we have covered it lightly in Parichaya, no, I mean in Pravesha level. But, you know, in after, when we start Sandhi, you will understand it very well.
Okay, okay.
So
okay.
don't worry
Dhanyavad.
about that. In the class, they will be doing.
Oh, sure, sure. Thank you, Nameshwar.
Bhagini, what is the last one? I'm stumped. Pakshyadve. Is it Pash Dhatu?
No, no, not
Paksh.
not Pash.
Pakshyadve.
You will be stumped even if I tell you the dhatu.
Really? I haven't
What
come
do you
across
think
that.
it means? That one
Pakshyadve.
is Pach dhatu.
Oh, okay. All right. That's quite a common one. You should know
So
it.
I decided not to put the Atmanepadi yet,
Oh, thank
because
God.
Parasmaipadi itself is little confusing. So
enough,
then
yeah.
Atmanepadi, no need. I just put 3 and realized, okay, no need.
And that
So,
other one is
but see,
Ruchat.
this part is very easy, no? For Purusha and Vachanam in
That's
Lit
easy.
Lakara, it's easy to find out.
Because there
Yeah.
are only 3 rows, no? In the other one, 7.
In which one 7?
No, I mean Namapada we have 7 or 8.
Versus that. No, but in Lang Lakara and just finding out between Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi is very
That becomes
difficult, right?
difficult. When Atmanepadi also comes, then it's little challenging. Okay, we'll see.
Lapsya is Labha Dhatu, is it? Lapsya? Labha.
So let's. Harsha Mahoday bhavati karoti va? Sarve bhavantu.
Okay. Lap,
No,
lapsya.
Prarthana.
Oh, this
Sarve bhavantu.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ गुरुभ्यो नमः ॐ हरि
धन्यवादः.
I think that's Pracha
Dhanyavad.
Dhatu. Not
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavad Mohoday.
not Ru,
Prach,
but
Pracham. Even I was just wondering, is it Prach or Prich? It's probably
the Dhatu here is Ulta. It's Pracha, but the
Prichati is the thing. Prach is the dhatu.
Correct. It's reverse.
And is that the spelling? Something is wrong.
The cha.
Prach.
The Chatri. Like
Cha.
Chatram. Samyak.
So, धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः
Dhanyavad Mohoday.
Very fun session.